Asus VivoBook 15. Asus VivoBook 15 X513EA i311th generation. VivoBook 15 with standout colors and a color blocking Enter key, Asus VivoBook 15 adds flair and dynamism to daily computing. With its Intel Core i3 processor, VivoBook 15 provides the power you need to get things done, giving you the best of both worlds in order to boost productivity. Express the true you. VivoBook 15 is about self-expression, and is available in bold bespoke black, idealistic dreamy white, and in-your-face cobalt blue. Pick the color that expresses who you are. Processor Intel Core i3-1115G4 Processor 3.0 GHz, 6M cache, up to 4.1 GHz, 2 cores. Display 15.6-inch, FHD, 1920 by 1080, 16:9 aspect ratio, LED backlit, 200 nits, 45% NTSC color gamut, anti-glare display, screen-to-body ratio, 85%. Memory 4GB DDR4 on-board storage 512GB M.2 NVMe PCIe 3.0 SSD. VivoBook 15 features a reversible USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type-C port with an any-way-up design that makes connecting devices effortless. It includes USB 3.2 Gen 1 and USB 2.0 ports, HDMI output, and a micro SD card reader, so you can easily connect all your current peripherals, displays and projectors. A better view with Nano Edge. The thin bezel Nano Edge display provides an expansive and immersive viewing experience by enabling a larger screen in a smaller frame. The Full HD display also offers wide viewing angles and exceptional color reproduction for truly vivid visuals. Exactly your type. The full-size backlit keyboard on VivoBook 15 is perfect for working in dim environments. Its sturdy one-piece construction and 1.4mm key travel provide a comfortable typing experience. One touch to log in. Accessing your Asus VivoBook 15 has never been easier or more secure. With the built-in fingerprint sensor in the touchpad and Windows Hello, there's no need to type in your password every time. To log in, just a single touch is all it takes. VivoBook series provides exceptional heat dissipation via an upgraded 8mm heat pipe and a new ice blades fan that efficiently accelerates heat transfer. The 87-blade ice blades fan and impeller are made of a liquid crystal polymer that allows them to be lighter and thinner than ordinary fans. Each ice blades fan blade has a 3D curved aerodynamic design, allowing the fan to achieve better flow rate and lower noise. In addition, the ice blades fans also use a fluid dynamics bearing, which can achieve better vibration reduction and lower noise when compared to ordinary fans. Unleash the possibilities using Asus Intelligent Performance technology in Performance Mode. An Asus laptop with an 11th Gen Intel processor can enjoy a performance boost of up to 40% compared to an ordinary Performance 5, 6, 7. Even in the default balanced mode, performance can be up to 30% better. See the amazing performance improvement. Here's how much performance mode can boost the performance of some commonly used apps, so you can finish your work even quicker. Asus Intelligent Performance technology features Whisper, Balanced and Performance modes. You can easily switch between the modes by pressing the FN+F hotkey combination. You can also switch via the My Asus software by choosing Hardware Settings then Asus Intelligent Performance technology modes.